After the huge success of the Nord in 2020, OnePlus is planning to launch a brand new smartphone in the Nord lineup, and they will be calling it the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So in this video, I'll be talking about its features, its pricing, its launch date, and what exactly does this CE stand for. But before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and also press that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. So first and foremost, the CE in the Nord CE 5G stands for Core Edition. And this new OnePlus CE will be launching alongside the OnePlus U Series U1S TV on the 10th of June at 7 p.m. According to OnePlus India, pre-orders start the next day on the 11th, and the phone goes on sale about a week later on the 16th. And anyone who pre-orders the phone on June 11th will get goodies worth 2,699 rupees. Now, according to reports floating on the internet, the OnePlus Nord CE is rumored to get a 90Hz 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display along with an in-display fingerprint sensor and the hole punch cutout for the front camera, similar to the OnePlus Nord. The build is expected to be entirely plastic, and OnePlus's website also confirmed that the phone will be 7.9 thick. Now at the back, the OnePlus Nord CE will be featuring 3 lenses in comparison to the 4 lenses found on the OnePlus Nord. So the primary camera is getting an upgrade this year from 48MP on the Nord to a new 64MP sensor on the Nord CE 5G. Accompanying cameras could be an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP depth sensor along with a 16MP front camera for selfies. As for the processor, the OnePlus Nord Core Edition is set to be powered by the 8nm Snapdragon 750G chipset and could come in 2 variants, that is 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Now there's no word whether the Nord CE will be having expandable storage or not, but if the OnePlus Nord is anything to look at, don't get your hopes high. However, the Nord CE will have a 3.5mm headphone jack, something that was not there on the original OnePlus Nord. The battery is also expected to get a bump from the 4100 mAh cell on the Nord to a 4500 mAh cell inside the Nord CE, and this could come with 30-watt fast charging support. So to summarize, the OnePlus Nord CE is a new and upcoming 5G OnePlus phone in the Nord series, which will feature an AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 750G chipset under the hood, up to 8GB RAM and a 128GB storage, and a 64MP triple rear camera setup. So what could be its price? Well, according to a tipster, expect the OnePlus Nord CE to be at least a couple of thousands cheaper than the OnePlus Nord. So are we looking at 23,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM variant and 26,000 rupees for the 8GB RAM variant? Yes, we'll find out soon. And that was everything that you need to know about the upcoming OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Smash the like button if you liked what you saw, and definitely share this video with others. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.